Hey friends, if the caps lock is not working on your system, you keep on pressing the caps lock but nothing happens, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check using the on-screen keyboard. Press the control key, Windows key and O key together. Control, Windows and O. Now click on caps lock here. Okay, now all of these are in capital and check if the caps lock key has been activated on your system. Okay, now try and using the keyboard here. Does it help or does it not? If it doesn't, then it may be an issue with the software itself, and if it helps in fixing it, then the issue could be with the hardware. So if it's an external keyboard, then try using it with a different system. Okay, and if it is not an external one, then you will have to check it through other methods. I mean, use other keys, use the shift key and then call the hardware technician. The next case is to update the keyboard drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for keyboard drivers. Right click on the first one, select update driver and search automatically for drivers. The last solution is a system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Select choose a different restore point. Click on next. Choose a good restore point here. Click on next once again. Then click on finish and then yes. So I use the system restore often to solve my problems. If your system was working earlier and it's not working now, then a system restore would fix it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.